Guest Wi-Fi. Enable Guest Wi-Fi. From the device home screen, select Menu, select Wi-Fi, select Band Selection. Select the desired band next to Guest Network. The device will take a moment to set up the guest network. To view the guest network details, from the device home screen, select Wi-Fi name/password, then swipe left. The guest Wi-Fi name and guest password will display on the guest Wi-Fi network screen. Configure guest Wi-Fi. To change the name and password of the guest Wi-Fi network, you will need to be connected to the device network and signed in to the MiFi admin website. From a device that is connected to the MiFi network, go to http:// or alternatively, go to http://192.168.1.1. Click the arrow icon under Wi-Fi. If necessary, enter the admin password, then click Sign In. When you first get your MiFi 8000, this will be the same as your Wi-Fi password. Click the Guest Network tab. Enter the desired guest network, security type, and password, then click Save Changes.